Name five fruits.
Name 5 fruits.
Name five fruits. Mango, apple, orange, banana, grapes.
Name 5 vegetables.
Name five vegetables. Potato, tomato, carrot, radish, onion.
Radish, the radish.
Radish.
Satu jauh. Radish, onion nothing. So name 5 vegetables.
Name five vegetables. Potato, tomato, carrot, radish, onion. Radish, dadah.
Satu acha. Name 5 flowers. Satu.
Name five flowers.
Dungri yo.
Rose, lily, lotus, marigold, jasmine.
Name 5 domestic animals.
Name jasmine. Cow, oat, dog, cat, sheep.
What is your name?
My name is Bamlin Ramai.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Sacred Heart Kindergarten.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
In which class do you read?
I class nursery.
Satu. In
I
which?
in class nursery.
Where do you live?
I live in children.
What is the name of your class teacher?
The name of my class teacher is Madam Narani Das. Das.
What is the name of your headmistress?
Chiri,